And now, a Studio 78 world premiere.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Signage mode on your Optoma ML750ST. The Signage mode allows the ML750ST to automatically start playing media from a micro SD card on startup. So, what are we going to need? To use Signage mode, we're going to need our ML750ST, a micro SD card, a computer, and depending on your computer, you may also need an SD or micro SD card reader. Alright, first things first, let's go into our Projectors menu and select the correct boot up source. Go into the Projectors menu and navigate to Setup, then select Boot Up Source, then Media. Well, that was pretty easy. Let's grab our computer and get our media squared away. Connect your micro SD card to your computer. On the card, create a folder and name it Signage. Drag and drop your files into the Signage folder, making sure not to name any of them Signage as well. Insert your micro SD card into the projector and Playback will automatically start once the projector is powered on. And there you have it. Automatic playback and you don't even need a source. How's that for a slice of fried gold? Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us at OptomaUSA.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.